In this video, I'm going to give you my review and demonstration on the Ovente Hot Water Pot. This hot water pot we bought on Amazon about 14 months ago. And here's what it looks like if you're going to check it out on Amazon. It's 1997. It's got about 6,000 reviews on it. And it's an 1100 watt element in there. It has these LED blue lights. The lights do not change. They're always blue. Originally I thought maybe these were blue because the water's cold, and then when it gets hot they're going to turn red. That would be cool, but it doesn't do that. They're always blue. So right now I have 1 liter of water in the Ovente hot water pot, 1 liter in a saucepan on the stove. Both started at the same time. Got the timer running on my phone. We're going to see how long it takes for water to boil in this versus the gas stove. One reason you might want this, maybe you have a foreign exchange student that always likes to drink tea or hot water, just plain hot water. It's nice for them to have something like this, to have constant hot water all the time. If you have a college student that lives in a dorm and maybe living off ramen noodles, and maybe they have to share a kitchen or something, and they can have something like this in their room to heat the hot water. Now this does do 1.5 liters, and it brings it to a boil around 6 minutes. We've not had any problem with it. There's a lot of bad reviews on it, but we have not experienced any problem. In the lid there is a filter. So if you do just throw tea bags in there, you can just pour it right out, and you don't have to worry about the tea bags falling out or anything. The lid is pretty secure. It won't open unless you push this button. The on-off switch is right here on the handle. And I'll bring the camera in for a closer look, and we'll see which one boils faster and which one. As you can see right now, we're at 4 minutes, about 30 seconds. And if you take a look at the saucepan, we're pretty much at a boil right now. I wouldn't say it's at a rapid boil yet, but it's definitely boiling. If you take a look at the Ovente, it's not quite a boil yet. It's getting close. Alright, 5 minutes and 10 seconds, and we're definitely at a rapid boil on the saucepan. 1 liter of water. It's on high, so that's definitely faster. Keep watching the Ovente here. We are at 5 minutes and 30 seconds. And I would call that probably that's a pretty good boil, and it's coming to a rapid boil right about now. So we're at 5 minutes 49 seconds for the Ovente to boil 1 liter of water. Just about a minute behind the gas stove. You can see that is a very rapid boil now. There it just went into auto shut off. You can see one problem is all the steam that comes off of this. You're not going to want that underneath your cabinets. Bring the camera back here so you can check this out. Now if you have your hot water pot, let's say right there where it's underneath your cabinets, all this steam is going to go under your cabinets. Just make sure that this is kind of out in the open. Just shut that off. And just be aware that how much steam comes off of that. Just you can see, you saw the auto shut-off feature. It also has a feature where if it senses no water in there, it will not turn on. So all depends on what you want to use it for, whether or not you're going to like it. Like I said, we've had ours about 19 months with no problem. And I just wanted to do this review in case you guys are interested in buying this. Hopefully it will make your decision a little easier whether or not you want it or not. And I thank you guys for watching the video.